Alright, so today I have for you here is my second Casablanca Venus. This one is from April 30th, 1991, was the 267th fan made that day. I got this fan from Facebook Marketplace for free along with another Venus and a California Zephyr. It was a great steal, and I was really happy that they're my very first functional IntelliTouch Casablancas because the Panama 5 I had was not functional. So yeah, this fan has a tiered slash stepped Hang-Tru. I have the other one, but I didn't feel like changing it out. This fan uses a 28mm Emerson K55 motor. It has an RNM3 board, and this fan can only accept 5 blades. And the blade sets you see are B516. That's what's included with the fan, and it also came with a Fabbian Venus-like kit. So yeah, I like it with the light kit, but I would love it more with the rings on it and an integrated uplight. I was hoping for this to be a Halo, but sadly it's not. But hey, I got nothing to complain. It's just a Venus. So I'll go ahead and show you some close-ups. It has snow white blades on both sides. Downrod. I had to use the ball from the Panama 5. Oh, sorry, not Panama 5, my Verdi Delta II, and the retainer clip from my Panama 5. Since this, along with my California Zephyr and the other Venus, doesn't have the recall clip. It has the reversed flywheel installation. Not sure if you can see it well, but go ahead. On so you could see it. I'm not sure if it's help, but yeah, that's the best I can do. And like it is Fabbian. Of course, it's vented, so yeah. Now I'll go ahead and demonstrate the fan, starting off the light. I'm using a 75-watt halogen bulb made for this specific fan. Okay. I'll show you. I don't think you can see well, so I'll lower it so you can see better. Alright. So that's about for light. Now we'll go ahead and start off with speed 1. This one shouldn't have a low speed that stalls out. But, this one, frankly, just runs smoothly, unlike my other Venus. But, yeah, this one has some good bearings at least, as I guess. But yeah, but I'll show you if there's any other bearing noises. Alright, so that's about for speed 1. Here it is, speed 2. So I'm starting And to notice something that you see here is that speed 2 seems a little faster than speed 1, but that's not really an issue for me. And this one is, as I said in the other video, I don't know if I said it in the other video or not, this fan is designed by Jean Clyde Mason, one of my favorite Art Deco fan designers from Casablanca. She also designed the Spirit of Saturn, the Halogen Star, the Meridian, and the Mercury also. And of course some matching Casablanca light fixtures for the corresponding fans. Alright, that's about for speed 2, here's speed 3. Once you notice something here is that you might get some hair movement, but it's speed 3, it's, I don't know, somebody can tell me what the RPMs are, but I'm starting to get some reason here. It is 6:26 a.m., so I usually get up really early and try to record it, but because the alarm didn't wake me up, I had to record it today and not yesterday, so sad that I couldn't get it done early. Alright, as I noticed on speed 2, I forgot to lower the brightness, so sorry about that. That's when I was turning the light on while I was on speed 2. On my phone. So that's about for speed 3, here's speed 4. I'm starting to get the sense of airflow of what I'm getting, and it does have some wobble, but I don't think it's real noticeable on video. Well, on the camera actually, to make it more accurate. So yeah. Alright, that's about for speed 4. Insert. That's speed 5. And yeah, I can see some air movement. And like his wobbling too, of course. Not real noticeable on camera, but yeah, I'll see. I don't know if the camera will pick it up though. Should have a retainer clip, so that will help me be safe. Alright, so we're went ahead and put up speed 6, so it's supposed for speed 5. This is a real air mover, like you never seen. But what do you have on you? As I said in the last video, the reason why the blade ring on the rubber flywheel causes more stress is because the blade ring is really heavy. But it moves tons of air with the Emerson K55 and it wobbles a little bit. But wobble doesn't really bother me at all, so I used to be scared of wobbles, but I don't give a crap about wobbles anymore. I'll give you this look on like it. But yeah, I'll show you. Hey, here's that's a buzzing noise when that happens when you press a button from the Untitled Touch control. Hence, okay. Alright, so we're going to turn it off and we'll start spin down. So, there you go. Spin down. And to be honest, I think this one has some good bearings on it. So, And I'm not sure if this Venus has a longer spin down than the other one I have. I'll see when I get to it. But I'm 100% sure this one has a longer spin down than the other one I have. Probably. But what else? So we'll go ahead and reverse it. And we'll start off with speed 1 reverse. So, yeah. And yeah, the bearing surprisingly on this looks a lot better. I'm going to lower the intensity so you can see it better. About to like it. It showing glare. So yeah. Alright, so that's about for speed 1. Here's speed 2. Alright, so this is speed 2 from control. And thankfully, this one actually works when I tested it. Because, like I said, my K55 has a dead board. And yeah, I believe one of my blade sets for the Venus has some scratches, some paint chipping off, so if it's in the inside, so why would I complain? It's not a big deal for me when it's on the inside. But at the lower it so you guys can see a better view at like it of the brightness on my phone. So yeah. Whoops. Sorry about that. So that's about for speed 3. Here's speed 4. Shoot. Wait, speed 3. What? Oh, whoop, never mind. Sorry, I said speed 3, 4 on mistake. Sometimes I'm not good at saying stuff right, but I try my best to say it right. Alright, so that's about for speed 3, here's speed 4. Yes. When I said that's about speed 3 on speed 2, I thought it was on speed 3. Sorry about that. Oh well, too late to redo it. I guess this is gonna just be filled in with bloopers then. Usually I try not to put some bloopers in there in my videos, but yeah, what gives? I try what I try to do. Alright, that's about for speed 4, here's speed 5. I might turn this off on my phone. So, and you can see that it does have like it wobbling, but not really too noticeable on the camera. So yeah, but you can see the wobble in person. So that's what you see. Alright, so that's about for speed 5, here's speed 6. That should probably max it out. So, yeah. wobbles less in reverse, but that's pretty normal sometimes. On ceiling fans, they do sometimes wobble less or more on forward and reverse, but yeah, no surprises there. And since this fan is from 1991, I should say this fan was made after January 1st, 1989, and I think it should have the MOV, which is a varistor that protects the board from experiencing lightning strikes or anything that interferes with the other appliances. Oh yeah, don't ask why the W32 is dangling. The only reason it's dangling here, it's because I could not fit the control in the box, so we'll go ahead and turn it off. Let's do spin down. Since this fan has better bearings, I think this fan would technically get a longer spin down. So all three of my Casablancas should have good bearings, but otherwise, I'll update you on those. As far as my parents do like the Venus, the only thing my dad doesn't like is the lighting, that it's halogen. Sadly, we don't have a mini can LED replacement that can withstand the electronics inside, so sad, but true at the same time. So yeah. But still, my dad likes it, my mom likes it, but my dad doesn't like the halogen light. That's the only thing that my dad doesn't like, is the halogen lighting. And yeah, it's a pretty long spin down for this one. The other one needs some servicing, maybe some new bearings, but this one, I think it has good bearings, so I don't need to actually change the bearings out. And I'm going to test the California Zephyr next, because that's the one I want to get to soon. But I noticed that this has a cool startup sound, and I want to share that with you on the next video at the end. It's like 2 minutes for the spin down. So 0. So and there you have it. That's all I have for today with my 52-inch Casablanca Venus. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.